Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to English Grammar Classroom, Standard 7. We have completed lesson number 20, The Voice, in our last video. Now we shall solve the exercise. We have seen all types of voices, active voice and passive voice. According to the tenses, we have solved the examples. We have also seen how to change the imperative sentences into passive voice by using let. We also saw the interrogative sentences in passive form. Now we shall solve the given exercise in your textbook. It is on page number 100. The first exercise is identify the kind of voice of the verb in the following sentence. Means active voice or passive voice. We have to identify in this exercise. Birds build nest in the trees. Birds build nest in the trees. This is active voice. Because no be form is used and no third form of the verb is used in this sentence, and in this the doer of the action, that is bird, is doing the work, or it is given the importance. Number 2, the priest had preached to them. The priest had preached to them. Here we can see the helping verb had is used and preached is the third form of the verb. So this is the priest had preached to them. But in this sentence also, the doer of the action, that is the priest, is giving the importance. He is the doer of the action. So this is an active sentence. The story was learnt by the children. The story was learnt. Form of be, was is used, and third form of the verb learnt is used, and by agent is adding the subject of the sentence at the object place. So this is an passive voice. The story was learnt by the children. The story was learnt. Here the receiver of the action is important, so this is a passive voice. Let me get well soon. Let me get well soon. Here subject is important, so this is an active sentence, active voice sentence. Who drove you crazy? Who drove you crazy? Here this is an interrogative sentence, and the subject is important, so this is also an active voice sentence. Next, on page number 101, see what plants have been made by you. This is a passive sentence. What plants have been made? In present perfect tense, passive voice is used, have been made. Number 7, Sonu kicked the ball. This is active sentence. Sonu kicked the ball. Sonu, the subject is important here. The car was towed by the towing van. This is a passive sentence. The car was towed, third form of the verb with be form, and the receiver of the action is important. Do not kill animals, active sentence. The man was bitten by the snake, passive sentence. The man was bitten. This is, the man is important, the receiver of the action is important, and was bitten, passive form of the verb. Was bitten is the passive form of the verb. The needy should be looked after. The needy should be looked after. With modal auxiliaries will and shall, we use be. So here should is used, so we use be. Should be looked after. This is passive verb, passive form of the verb. Next, magnificent goals will have been scored by the teammates. Will have been scored. This is passive form. Magnificent goals. Receiver of the action is important. So this is a passive voice sentence. The first exercise is completed here. I hope you have written the answers. See in your screen. Take the screenshot if you have any confusion. Now come to the next exercise. That is exercise number 2. Change the following into passive voice. I played a game. I played a game. Here I is the subject, played is the verb, and a game is a object. So object will become the subject. In passive voice, subject becomes the object becomes the subject. So a game is a object here in this sentence, so a game will become the subject. A game, correct form of be was, because the main verb is in past tense form. So the sentence will be, a game was played by me. The woman lost the ring. Here the sentence is again is in past tense. So in past tense we use was. The ring was lost by the woman. In past simple tense we use was and were. With singular subject we use was, and with plural subject we use were. The ring was lost by the woman. Number 3. Did you frame these sentences? Interrogative sentence. How to change an interrogative sentence in passive voice? Did is the past tense, so we shall use the helping verb, the past form of the be, that is were. Were the sentences formed by you? Were these sentences formed by you? This is the passive form of an interrogative sentence. Number 4. Get me some water. Imperative sentence. Command it is. Get me some water. So, two meanings can be given here. You are requested to get me some water, because the subject you is supposed in imperative sentence. If we request some person before us, second person. So you is supposed that is the subject of this sentence. Get me some water. You are requested to get me some water. That is the passive form of this interrogative sentence. Okay. Number 5. The horse is pulling the cart. The cart is being pulled by the horse. This is the sentence in present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. The horse is pulling the cart. The cart is being. We use ing form with be in present continuous tense. The cart is being pulled by the horse. So, how many sentences are there in second exercise? In second exercise, we have 10, 12, 13, 12 sentences. out of which 5 I have solved and showed you the answer. Remaining you shall solve. That is the homework for you. The cart is being pulled by the horse. Take the screenshot of these 5 sentences. Take the screenshot. Copy this in your notebook and try to solve the other examples by yourself and send me on homework group your answers. Send me on homework group. I shall see you have written correctly or not. Okay? Then we shall stop here. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.